Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about finding creative ways to boost your income and unlock your financial freedom. Today, we have something super exciting in store for you. We're diving into the world of side hustles. If you're ready to earn some extra cash and have a blast while doing it, you're in the right place. Get ready for 5 side hustle ideas that will make your wallet smile. Let's get started. Idea number 1 is perfect for all you crafty and creative folks out there. Have you ever considered selling your handmade creations online? Whether it's unique jewelry, custom clothing, or even quirky home decor, the possibilities are endless. Not only can you showcase your talent, but you can also make some serious money. Websites like Etsy and Shopify are fantastic platforms to kickstart your online shop. You can even create your own e-commerce store with just little capital. So, go ahead and turn your passion into profit. Now, on to idea number 2. Are you a photography enthusiast or own a top-notch camera? Why not monetize your skills by becoming a freelance photographer? People are always looking for professionals to capture and even video their special moments, weddings, birthdays, even pet photo shoots. You can start by creating an online portfolio on websites like 500px and SmugMug. Promote your photos and get seen by people. Leverage the use of social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Now you can grab your camera and get ready to frame some memories and make that dough. And remember, when you do work for someone, suggest that they refer you to others. As you can see, these are what is pretty doable by almost anyone, and can earn you some extra cash. So why not? Alright, moving on to idea number 3. Do you have a way with words and love writing? Freelance writing might just be your ticket to side hustle success. Many businesses and websites are constantly on the lookout for talented writers to create engaging content. Jobs that fall in these categories are copywriting, ghostwriting, creative writing, etc. To be more professional in your approach, it is highly suggested you have a Twitter and/or LinkedIn page, depending on which suits you. If you need help on how to optimize your pages, or write posts that will attract clients, drop a comment and let us know. Also, websites like Upwork and Freelancer offer a plethora of writing opportunities, from blog posts to product descriptions, if you're a fan of those sites. You can also search for side jobs on remote sites. If you want us to make a video on remote sites to find side hustles, do let us know in the comments section. If you want to be in this category, we also suggest you have a blog site set up. Sites like Beehive, which we use, Substack, WordPress, are there for you. This is for you to build your online presence, and capture your readers. So, buckle up, and get ready to become a wordsmith by day and a money-making machine by night. Now, brace yourself for idea number 4, MVPs. Have you ever considered becoming a virtual assistant? In this digital age, entrepreneurs and busy professionals often need someone to handle administrative tasks remotely. That's where you come in. I know of someone who hired a virtual assistant to run his Twitter page for him. All the VA does is retweet his clients' posts and optimize his page. That's all. Guess how much he earns per month? $400 per month. That's a pretty good amount for a side hustle, right? Websites like Fiverr and Zirtual provide a platform to connect with clients seeking virtual assistants. You can also optimize your LinkedIn and Twitter accounts too. So, organize those files, manage those emails, and conquer the world, one virtual task at a time. And finally, for our last idea, we have something truly unique and exciting. Get ready to put your vocal cords to work by becoming a voiceover artist. I mean, you hear the voice in this video, right? That can be you, and you'll also be paid for it. If you have a captivating voice and can imitate different accents and characters, this gig is perfect for you. I'm sure you must have heard that Vin Diesel was the voice behind Groot Marvel character. What does he say? I am Groot. That's all he says. Do you know how much he makes just for saying that? I'll leave you to figure that out. Of course, you may or may not hit something big like that, but there are jobs you'll get that will pay you quite handsomely if you can deliver. From commercials to audiobooks, the demand for voiceover talent is ever growing. You can also be paid for running adverts for people with your voice. Websites like Voices.com and Fiverr will be your gateway to becoming the voice of a generation. And there you have it, folks, 5 side hustle ideas that will unleash your inner entrepreneur and fatten up your bank account. Remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to side hustle possibilities. So, find something you love, put your unique twist on it, and watch the magic happen. If you noticed, we kept on mentioning sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Now, even though we don't use those sites, because of the too much drama involved there now, they're still recommendable. People still make honest living from the sites. So find what works for you and be sure to let us know if you need help along the way. That's a wrap. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making and business mindset content. And don't forget to comment down below with your favorite side hustle ideas. Until next time, keep winning, MVPs.